Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video from One to Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Pinterest quick saves. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Have you ever noticed that whenever you try to save some pins, it will directly save it to your profile? To solve this issue, you can do one thing. Whenever you try to save a pin on your Pinterest profile, it will directly save the pin to your profile. Now, one thing you can do about this is to whenever you save a pin, it will give you this organize option at the top. Just simply tap into that and then you can create a board from here and save it into the existing board, which will simplify your Pinterest profile and make it more organized. By following these very easy steps, you can easily get rid of Pinterest quick saves in your Pinterest profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.